In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the backpack in Bloxburg. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to manage your inventory and the backpack. So first, the backpack can be accessed when you open up your smartphone, and in here, one of the apps is going to be Backpack. So in the first page, you will find Backpack. When you click on this, you will see all of the categories. So all of the items that you have and the items that you can purchase. So you can browse through different categories such as career, music, training, family, kids, toys. And you will see all of the items that you have on you and items to purchase. So when you click on any of these items, you will hold them. So this icon here, that is just this little toolbox, will be replaced by the item that you selected. So now you can click on the item or tap on it and you will use it. So as you can see, I'm using the shovel just by tapping on it. Now, if you want to remove the item, you will click on this X icon and it is going to go away. If you click on any of these plus signs, the smartphone will appear if it isn't open already. So if I click on it again, now I can choose an item to equip in this slot. And once it is equipped, I can once again choose it again to bring up the item. Once I have the item in my hand, I can place it down and interact with it. So you can clearly see that I'm using this mat here. And I can remove it, place it back in my inventory, and then it will go back automatically. So any items that you see here, you simply have to click to equip them periodically, or you can click on any of your slots to actually get them here. And then you will have easy access without having to open the backpack. So it is simple to use and all of your items will always be stored here. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you use the backpack in Bloxburg, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.